Hello, my name is Anya Prasvetova and this is my submission to Tableau's Data Hackathon 2021. My project is a dashboard that allows users to optimize an equity portfolio based on the amount of money they want to invest. This dashboard provides an optimal allocation strategy using two of the most frequently used portfolio methods, mean-variance and mean-semivariance. The user can input their amount of money they would like to invest in this parameter at the top of the dashboard. Say if we want to invest $500, press enter, and this will be the dashboard will recalculate the number of shares that they should buy for every equity they would like to invest, and also the value of this portfolio then based on the prices on the first date in the dataset. Here is the 7th of November 2013, as well as on the last date in the dataset. Here it's 28th of May 2021. And you also can see the value of the cumulative return for every method, in this case for two methods. And let's see how it's built in the backend. So this dashboard is bringing data from a Python script that is placed in the Jupyter notebook. And to connect to this Jupyter notebook, I'm using the Jupytab, the server that allows us to connect to the Python script in Tableau in Jupyter notebook and bring data frames directly from there into Tableau as tables. So you can see here these tables I'm bringing straight from my Jupyter notebook. And that's the file, the Jupyter notebook that I'm connecting to. And you can see that to make it available, I'm running my Jupytab server in the top right corner of the screen in one environment. And then in a separate environment, I'm also running my Jupyter notebook where my Python script is saved. We can use the Jupytab as the web data connector and bring the static values into our dashboard as we saw just now, but we can also use Jupytab as an analytics extension and bring the values into our dashboard based on the values that our users have entered. So for example, here, if we look at the calculation for the amount of leftover that the user will have if they set a certain portfolio value. So this is my parameter that takes the user's input. I'm calling the function in my Python script, leftover sharp f, that takes this input, recalculates the value of the leftover, and brings it back into my Tableau dashboard here and displays it every time the new value every time you change the one that you had before.